Dan Sweeney here, and today I'm going to show you how to apply mirror shine to your vehicle. Now, first off, you're going to want to start with a decontaminated vehicle. So you'll want to use a decon soap and then potentially clay the car as well to prepare it for applying the mirror shine. Now, you're going to want to do it in a cool and dry area, ideally. So this is a garage environment. We don't have to worry about rain. We don't have to worry about the sun. Next, you're going to want to shake the bottle before we use, and we have Ryan here demonstrating. Now we're going to spray a small amount on the vehicle. Less is more. A little bit can go a long way. Now with this first microfiber towel, we're going to work it into the surface of the vehicle, as you can see here. Then we're going to take a second microfiber towel and we're going to use that to buff and polish it into the vehicle. Now it should be pretty obvious. You can kind of tell when it's nicely buffed and nicely polished and ready to go and looks good. We do recommend applying a second coat, maybe even a third coat, depending upon your own taste, to get extra shine and protection.